According to hacker.io, Python has been tagged as the best programming language to learn in 2022. So, hi everyone, this is Skillari, and today we are going to talk about what kind of a language Python is all about. So, before going any further, make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Reading it out from the official documentation, Python is defined as an interpreted, interactive, object-oriented programming language. Apart from this, it incorporates modules, exceptions, dynamic typing, very high level support of dynamic data types, and also classes. Beyond the scope of object-oriented programming, it also supports multiple programming paradigms, such as we have procedural and functional programming in it. That is such huge and such a unique language Python is. Now, the biggest question might be, what kind of a language Python is? As I have told you that it is a dynamically typed interpreted language. These types of language are typically referred to as scripting language. The basic reason for this would be that the code which we have in this is not compiled to binary form. And by dynamically typed, I mean that types do not need to be declared when coding. So as you have seen that whenever we need to define any variable in Python, we don't need to really define the type of it. It might be string, it might be float, it might be anything. But compared to C, C++, which are programming language which are based on compiler, we need to define over there what kind of an object we are creating over there. So we have similar language like Perl and Ruby, all of these. So Python, when I talk about dynamically typed, I meant I do not need to declare the variables when I am coding it out. The interpreter will figure everything out at the runtime. Now, this might be an advantage or a disadvantage, because while they provide convenience to a programmer because the programmer doesn't need to worry about types, they can cause a lot of problems in larger production application, because the majority of errors you might encounter will only be found at the runtime. That's it for this video. I hope Python makes more and more sense to you. Make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe button.